Hey, so we just finished up an awesome day training today, and we wanted to bring another video to you guys. This time we're going to talk about RockTape. So RockTape is a really amazing tape modality or method that we utilize a lot in our office to help many patients, especially athletes and people that are pretty active. The reason RockTape is so beneficial and how it helps everybody is partly the way it's applied, but also the way that it's made. The cool part about RockTape is that it's not just a small thing. It's not just used in my office or in chiropractic offices. RockTape is actually used by several Olympians, lots of Olympians, and even pro athletes because it keeps them in the game. It provides stability. It provides support for their joints or different ailments that they may be dealing with, so that they can continue to perform at that peak level. And that's at the top of their game. So we utilize the same thing in our office. And today I'm going to be taping a lower back just so you guys can see the benefits of how this is actually applied and what it can do. But I want to first explain, how does RockTape help? What does it do? How is it beneficial? And again, it provides stability, it provides support, but it also helps with the healing process. So in the manner that this is applied, and when I apply it, you guys will see, it's constantly pulling at the layers of the skin. So it's constantly trying to retract back to its original position, and by doing that, that takes pressure off of the blood vessels, off the lymphatic system. If we have an injury in our lower back, generally there's swelling that happens, and the swelling compresses those tissues, which in between the tissues are little blood vessels, our lymphatic system, and even sensory nerves. And so you want to open up that space to allow blood into the area to promote that healing. So I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 strips to her lower back, and essentially RockTape lasts 3 to 5 days. You can swim in it, you can shower in it. You just don't want to scrub the edges because once you start to peel it up, the effectiveness for that area is gone. Now you could cut that part. Now we offer this in our office. It's very hard to tape your own lower back, so you definitely want somebody to do that for you. But RockTape even provides videos that show you how to do it or how it can be done. The cool part is I'm specifically trained and certified in applying RockTape, so we have specific methods to tape many different areas. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is obviously expose the area. And yes, I'll have you hold your shirt there. Now, she's having some lower back issues, so obviously that's the area we're going to tape. Now I'm going to find where her hips are, and I'm just going to begin applying the tape. Normally you would measure the area based on the person that you're taping, but we've already pre-done all that for you. So we're going to put one on one side, and then we're going to put the other piece on the other side. You don't want to go over the spine because that's the area that's moving consistently, and that will cause a lot of irritation. So essentially we're going to apply it just like this. Now you don't put any pressure on the edges, and then essentially you have them lean forward and stretch their skin as much as you can. And then the way that the adhesive is applied on the tape, you can see that it's applied in different directions. And so as it's pulling at the skin, it's also pulling in different directions once it's applied as well. So you put some stretch on it, and you just go right up that muscle, all the way up, and then you want to lay that flat down with no stretch there. Make sure it's rubbed on really good. Try not to scrub the edges when you're applying it. And then we're going to do the other side as well, same thing. So some nice stretch to it. And then you're just going to lay the flat down just like that. Perfect. Now even sometimes for extra support or stability, you could put a piece across as well, especially wherever the pain area is. Now we're going to use some rock sauce. This is another thing that RockTape provides. It helps just to provide like a topical analgesic for a few short hours. It also kind of gets the tape working a little bit sooner as far as working with the nerves, the sensory nerves on the skin surface. So again, you just want to rub that in. Awesome, and it really disappears. It soaks in there pretty good. All right, now we're going to have her sit up. Go ahead and sit up for me. Now what the tape is doing now, you can see that it's kind of wrinkling her skin, and that's exactly what we want it to do. It's actually pulling at those layers of skin, like I said, allowing new blood to get in there and kind of heal that area like it's supposed to. So it's doing what we want it to do. Again, I'm going to instruct the patient 3 to 5 days. Try not to take it off any sooner because it can cause skin irritation. But anyways, so to kind of wrap this up, being that it's the month for Mother's Day, we decided to celebrate moms, obviously, but we have a special for anybody to come in, get a full comprehensive evaluation, examination, and any x-rays that may be necessary. Also, we're going to apply RockTape for this $45, okay? So you'll get RockTape, x-rays, full examination, and consultation. But if you're a mom or a mother-to-be, we're actually going to honor you guys by taking another $10 off. So you can actually experience what RockTape feels like, but more importantly, understand what is going on with your health. If there's something we can help with, please let us know. Our email is healthsourcelbt@gmail.com, or you can call us at 919-785-9191. We look forward to hearing from you. Hope you guys have an awesome week, and if there's anything else we can do for you, please let us know. Take care.